Right, welcome everybody to this Polar How-To. In this video, we're going to discuss how to manage a site. Right, so to start off with, we're going to go to our sites page, and we can see our two different sites here. Obviously, site number one was the one that we made in the previous videos with our gateway on it and our field bus module on it. So in order to manage the site, say now I've got my device set up and I want to now see what kind of license I need to purchase. I can click on the Manage button next to the site. That'll then open up the information. So what's nice about this is that if I need to rename the site, I can do that here. I can also rename the description. And importantly as well is that I can also allocate the site to a different group if I wanted to. With this section here, I can actually close that one, and then I can now add it to a different group. So if I wanted to do that, I could. I can also change the site's location on the system, and as mentioned in previous videos, if I wanted to delete it, I could remove the gateways and devices from the site and actually delete the site. Finally, there's also a tab at the top here that we can now go through and understand a bit more on the licensing information. So we can see here that we've got a trial type license here. It is currently valid and expiring in 7 days, and we can now see the tags, gateways, alerts, and schedulers that are allocated with this license. If I wanted a bit more of a breakdown, I can scroll down here, and this graph will now show us which devices are using how many tags, how many alerts, how many schedulers, so that I can understand better about that. And if I'm looking to purchase or renew a license, I can do that through this section here, and click the bottom section there. And what we'll do is we'll start another video chain on actually renewing and updating licenses, which we'll link in the description below. And that's how to manage your site.